Good evening, everybody. Woohoo. Let's have some fun tonight. Yeah, when reading this. Wow. We live in a clown world, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Damn, that's really good. We had 121 subscribers. Yeah, we've been signing up lots of folks. Damn, that's really good. All right, where are we at? Our lives. Clickbait. Not limited. It is not. God, these people are nuts. Satoshis. Wow. We'll get into that comment in a second, and I'll rip him a new one and teach him exactly what he's losing out on. People, don't come at me. I hit back with the truth. A lot of you don't like the truth. Be careful on what you say. You're going to come back. You're going to regret it. All right, where were we? Let's go live on a rodeo. Get live. Yep, I see sound. Bitcoin. Where are they ready at? Yep, that works for me. Go live. And let's make this over here. Yep. All right. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube and X and whatever other place those places are. Oh, there's a few people here. What do you know? What's going on? Let's make some money tonight. Oh, Jones 088. What's up, Mike? Michael Jones 808. Good evening, Mike. What's up, Filio? Good evening, Mark Hawkins. What's up, Tanny B? Good evening. Good evening, Jacob, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good evening, George. Alexander. Rachmaninoff. Okay, forget it. I'll just leave it at that. Sorry about that, Alexander. What's up, Kim, the Gold Queen, Kimberly Harrington? What's up, Christopher Barone? Yes, it works on options. Really well, it works on options. Matter of fact, one of our members, Tommy, doesn't strictly trade options, but where's his trade recaps? The last few times Tommy's traded, yeah. I don't know if these were his option trades or not. We'd have to look into that, but yes, it works on options. Really, really, really good. Yeah, there's a lot of people in here. Yep. Talking about Brie Espresso. Talking about you. Talking about me. Talking about Brie Espresso. Talking about you. Talking about me. Talking about Brie Espresso. Good evening, Jackie James. Thank you, Jacob, for speaking up. Yes, Jacob, Blue Tide Acrylics is correct. Works on everything, including options. Correct. What's up, Mr. Gold? Well, we have a couple of retirees in our midst tonight. Kimberly Harrington can be retired and was retired. And then we have Mr. Gold this evening, who is retired using the system. What is the cost of Sniper under the cost of the program? The cost of the program is $575 for the year. If you want to get the optional add-on, the system works by itself. If you want to get the Sniper optional add-on down here, this pink and blue thing, that's $250 a month. And you can only buy it at thesafetytrade.com. Good evening, everybody on TikTok, Brink Theory, user 5315, John. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're going to go ahead and make some call outs tonight. First of all, I'd like to say you could be witnessing history right here. Let's take a look. Right at it, 7 hour. 12 hour to me isn't low enough. But I did buy some more XRP. My wife and I both did, just a couple thousand each. We're actually up on that already. That's kind of ironic. Talking about Brie, talking about me, talking about Brie Espresso. Now, this is one thing I'd like to point out to you, this is very, very important. This is what's coming up with XRP, and I can't stress this enough. This is what I'm going to lead with, then we'll get into a few things. This XRP daily is going to form our effing logo over the next few days. You're going to see this pink, Lord willing, you're going to see this pink line come down like I drew it right here. And then you're going to see this stay up. And this is going to be a huge move. You're going to see this come down below here, below our yellow line. It's going to form a gap. And then hopefully, this isn't such a hard up. Hopefully this will come back down to here. Price action will do this, is what I'm hoping over the next 3 or 4 days. Meaning I just bought some, but I really hope it goes back down to about $1.20 to $1.15. Anything below or right at this orange line. If we can get this to pull this off, to pull our logo off, to pull our buy stop logo off, as you see right here, green upper arrow right here on the back of our bull. If we can get XRP to do this on the daily, we are going to make so much freaking money on that pull up. I might be able to retire again. I mean, I'll drop in, I don't know. I'll probably drop in 20 grand, 30 grand, maybe even 50. I don't know. We'll be dropping in some, between my wife and I, we might even drop in 100 grand if it does that. I will absolutely, my goodness, because then that push from $1, $1.15, $1.20 will push up over that $1.70 to $2 range. So you're basically going to pretty much double your money when that occurs. You're welcome, Christopher Barone, and welcome being here. What's up, Melina Hawthorne Bliss? Good evening. Good evening, Henry. Thank you for being on TikTok and YouTube. Appreciate everybody that's on TikTok to go to YouTube. So my call out then, this is what I expect XRP to do over for the next several days. Sevens, if we're all clear on this, we want this to go down. We want XRP daily pink line to hook and come down. And I'm telling you, will it be 100,000? I don't know. It'll be between 50 and 100 grand. I'm going to put real money on this trade when this does this, because this is going to be your time. If this pulls down enough, boy. And I know I just bought, it's just a few thousand. I mean, we might have like, I don't even know, for like 15 grand between all of us in this. It's nothing. And 100,000 to, Elon Musk has 16 million XRP. So it's nothing. But for me, yeah, I can use to make 100,000 over the next 2 to 3 weeks. That would be nice. I'll take that money. Jackie James Sevens, nice. Melina Sevens, yes. Miami, what's up, Miami Rocks? So yeah, that's what I expect it to do. Praying it does. We want a pullback on XRP real bad, and this is where XRP is going to go. And some of you kind of caught it and kind of didn't, but this is XRP. Let me show you. 3 week. And if we come over to here and we go over to Bitcoin, right? Espresso, talking about me, talking about Bree Espresso. Well, let me see. Yeah, they're going to be the same anyways. Won't matter. Look, 1, 2, 3. They always do the same thing. It doesn't matter whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's XRP. I pulled out Cardano. I pulled out Litecoin. So we can go over here to Litecoin. They always do the exact same thing. So some of you get a little mistaken on that. You see this right here? This is 3 week. Now, this is where Litecoin earlier today is very, very, very attractive. Litecoin, buy stop. I would play any buy stop on Litecoin until it reaches $185. It hasn't sprung yet. Of course, Bitcoin has sprung. Ethereum is springing. Of course, XRP is starting to spring up. But I'm telling you, Litecoin has a very, very 152, I would say 200, somewhere in that range. I'd play any buy stop you can find on Litecoin. What's up, John? Good evening, John Parker. So that's what you're looking at for XRP and Litecoin. I mean, look, if you guys can't see this, there's something missing right here on Litecoin. Okay, there really is. There's just this is 3-week XRP on the right. This is 3-week Litecoin on the left. Yeah, this is called a huge opportunity for you guys. I never trade Litecoin. Well, that's not true. Years and years and years ago, I traded Litecoin, but that's been forever ago. But yeah, this and this one has occurred. So this gets a check. Yep, see it went up. This one has not. See it? Right down here. See this right here? Yeah, it's ready to explode. I said this exact same thing when Bitcoin and Ethereum went up and XRP didn't. Henceforth, why I have my XRP call out right here. Let me go over here. Right here. When I called it out on 6/25, you can go back to my live and see this. I called out a monthly buy stop. And boy, we still have monthly, but this is actually a 3-month buy. 3-month buy on XRP. Shit. 3-month buy. The last time it did this, it went up for 3 months, 6 months, went up for 3, 6. I would say 6 months, the last time it made its move up. Currently, we're on 3 months, which means we have an additional 3 months to go minimum. And I want to see how high this 3-month rises. I've already called XRP correctly to go over its 80 cents, to go over its dollar, to go over its $1.30, to go over its $1.50. I'm calling XRP to go over $2. Wait for the daily buy, and then you're going to see XRP move into the, if we can get this just to drop a little lower, I swear to goodness. I already went a little bit more in today, but I'll be dropping in a good bit of chunk of change on this one. All right, so that's XRP. Everybody always wants to know where it's going. I'm telling you where it's going. Everybody wants to know where, Litecoin a little bit is going. I'm telling you where it's going. Here's Ethereum. My weekly buy stop on Ethereum was on 6.4 and 6.25. I kept lowering them. You couldn't get a better buy if you were paid money for this. 2,300 up to 3,300. Just say $1,000 a coin, $1,100 a coin. And it's just getting started. We're going to see the pink line drop down, Lord willing, hook and come back up on Ethereum. I will absolutely, first time in my life, trade Ethereum. I've never traded, almost mined it. Bitcoin. Ethereum, sorry. Ethereum will be going past 3,400, 3,500. Ethereum will be going past 4,000, and Ethereum would be going past 4,200. I reserve the right to see how high this is up on the 3-week in 3 weeks' time. I want to see if we filled in the gap. This is our logo trade. This is perfection. You should have gotten into Ethereum either where I called it or 27, 2,800. This is free money. This is our logo. Ethereum will keep going up until you see this gap filled in, until you see this pink cross this purple line right there, until this goes to the top. Price will keep going up. I'll know more when this pink line right here on my sniper goes past 50%, but that's what it's going to do. And just watch. When I go down to the 5 seconds and 1 seconds and 10 seconds, you'll see this exact formation, and you'll see it close and go up right before your very eyes. So just give me a minute or two and I make these call outs for you. Good evening, Jay. Good evening, John. Good evening, Melina. Good evening, Dr. One Fly and D. Dewey Beach Lover. Good evening, John. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're calling out exactly where XRP is going to, what we expected to do for Ethereum, where it's going to, and now we're on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I made my first call on 3/8/2023. A year and a half ago when it was at 26,500, I called it to go over 70,000. It did. Then on 9/8, literally, here's the videos. I pulled them up for you. 3/8. This is the video on 9/8. You can see me typing this out live right here. This is me typing out the call on Bitcoin. And I called it to go over when it was at 56,000. I called it to go over 70, 80, 90. Then I said somewhere between 98 and 100 too. And I said, oh, it'll go to 100. It went up to 99,400. I truly believe we'll finish off that 100,000 soon. And then I'll make another call for you. But that's probably going to be in the range of 105, 110,000 for Bitcoin. We'll see. I'll let you know as this thing develops. Again, 3-week pink line needs to go about 50%. So until it does that, I got to wait and see. Okay. If it goes all the way up, for instance, to here, then we're going to be less bullish. But right now, play any buy stop you can, especially the 30-minute. This was your logo. Do you see right in here? Let me be clear on this. So some of you maybe don't understand the concepts of what we do. This is all we're trading right here. Give me 1 second. All right. This is, because again, some of you miss this sometimes. This is Bitcoin on the right. On the left is Ethereum. And let's look at something real quick here, shall we? Look what you're looking at. Inside, there we go. Inside of this rectangle, you see the same exact pattern. You see red, green, space, pink line low. Over here, you see red, green, space, pink line low. This is the exact formation. This is Ethereum on your left, 3-week. Each candle's 3-week. Each time period's 3 weeks. Then on your right, you see it. And why does this matter? Because Bitcoin moved up first, and then Ethereum moved up. Okay, and then XRP moved up. So Bitcoin's already hooked up. Ethereum has not. Ethereum has more potential on the upside. I'm not saying it's going to go higher. Personally, I think XRP is going to overtake Ethereum soon. But Ethereum still has more movement to the upside. Now, if we throw in all three, let's take a look right here. Okay, let me grab this one over there. Let's grab this right here. Right here. And then we're going to bring in on this one right here, we're going to bring in XRP. And we're going to make that the three-week. Okay. So now we're looking at all three of them the same. You can clearly see the 3-week has gone up a lot on XRP. There's your red, green, and our logo, pink low. If you come over to here, you're going to see 3-week red, green space filled in the gap. Buy went up. Pink line hasn't even started to curve up. If you come over to here on Bitcoin, it's already started to curve up. So on our 3-week, you'd have more movement up on your Ethereum, then Bitcoin, and then XRP. But let's take a look. We have more than 3 weeks to look at. Let's go ahead and change each one to 3 months. Let's see what these 3 months look like. Yeah. Okay. Now, 3 month Ethereum is still at the very bottom. 3 month 3 month XRP is at the very bottom. 3-month Ethereum is already over 50%. 3-month Bitcoin is already well past 50%, almost 70%. So the one that has the most longer term potential to go up, and I mean go up big, is XRP. The last time it did this, right? The last time XRP did this is about 20 cents or so, a little under maybe, about 18 cents. And it went up to over $2 or right at $2. So right now it started at, it's upward sloping W, by the way. It started at about 48 cents, 50 cents. And now it's up to $1.50. So breaking the $2 mark is, it'll take 3-6 months, somewhere around that range for me to see how it's going to go, where it's going to be, but it's going to be above that. So we already have it above that on TikTok. You see it's approaching the midline on its Ethereum, but XRP has all kinds of wiggle room. So long term, to answer the question in my on my YouTube, Ethereum is good, Bitcoin is very good, but XRP has the most upside potential, and it's not even close. It's not even within any time period. It's unbelievable. You have a lot more. Type out yes if you guys understand that on the upside potential, XRP has a lot more movement to go. Bitcoin's still very good. It'll go up a good bit. Ethereum will go up a good bit, but XRP it's almost mind-blowing how it's jumped up, and we haven't seen fucking any closure, no movement up. We have a lot of movement. If this goes up, when this 3 months is up, and it's only going to be like 25 or 30%, it's going to be below 50, you're going to see XRP above $3, $4. Thank you, Larry. What's up, Larry? What's up, Trey Gum? What's up, Henry? Miami rocks. Thank you all on TikTok. YouTube, if you guys understand that, please say yes. Out of the three of these, XRP has the most upward potential. And it's a lot to move up. I'd play any 30-minute buy stop, and we'll go over that a little bit later, how to look for what to buy. But any buy stop you can find. Is there anybody on YouTube still alive, or do we lose everybody? That XRP 3 month could be something special. That thing could be over like $10. I'm just saying could be. I'll know as it goes up. I'll tell you where you're at. I'll tell you how much more to go. But it's got something going. Anyone on YouTube alive? YouTubers, anyone at all? Hello? Hello. I think we lost everybody. Larry Cooper, not on YouTube yet. I'm driving. Be safe, Larry. Drive safe. My brother's driving home too. I got to get one yes on YouTube or I'm not going to go forward. Oh boy. Da 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 da. Good Lord. Let me go over to YouTube itself. Maybe we're having trouble on Restream. Oh, look at all the yeses. Son of a bitch. Yeah, that is weird. Huh. Yeah, I do not see. I'll have to do the YouTube. All right, I'm on YouTube now. Oh, all right. What are so we are getting answers. Beautiful day. So it's the same as US 30 NAS and SPX. Don't know what you're talking about there, Mr. Gold. I'll look at that in a second. Blessed evening, Susie. Henry, Susie's star. Yep. Yes, 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 yes. Lots of answers. Wow, I didn't see all that. Subu. Good evening, Subu. Yes, indeed, expiration to be seen. Yes, on YouTube. Yes, yes, yes. What's up, Amos? What's up, Luis? What's going on? I'm on YouTube, Althea, Jackie James. Yes. Awesome. All right. YouTube is working all right. Fantastic. Well, I got it working on my end. I had to just go to YouTube. I don't know what's going on with the restream. They act up every year or so. It's kind of weird. All right. Kim's asking what's going on. I'm showing you 3 month, Kim, that you have a lot more potential for the pink line to rise on the sniper on XRP than you do with Ethereum. Ethereum's still going to go up. Bitcoin's still going to go up a good bit, medium bit. But the best out of the three are XRP. That's what you missed. Okay. So hopefully you guys all got that. All right. Now let's take this all away. Let's bring this back over to here. So I've given you call outs for Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Told you where they're headed to. Told you which of the three are the best. Now, this little overnight reversal trade, we're going to go over that too. We got a lot of shit to go over here. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. My YouTube channel, records, everything across the board. Record number of signups the last 28 days. Record number of views, record number of everything. It's just been fantastic. Let's go over to our lives. This one right here, we have a comment from someone who is very not on top of anything. But let's go ahead and explain his comment to him. This person right here at Yo Jim Blab, I have no idea what that name is. We'll call him Jim. When reading the title, I wonder if it referred to Satoshis and not Bitcoin, similar to saying that $10 in your pockets are in fact 1,000. $1,000, you may ask? Yes, 1,000 cents. Okay. Clickbait title, intentionally misleading in order to harvest more views. Bull fucking shit. Am I clear about that, yo? If the intention is not to mislead, consider changing and try to reflect that. How about exactly what I wrote? Bitcoin is not limited to 21 million coins. 21 quadrillion is the actual number. The point of what I'm telling you is that Bitcoin is not limited. There isn't a limited number of Bitcoins unless you consider 21 quadrillion a limit, which is embarrassing. No one even knows what quadrillion means. So I'm sticking by my title. No, not that. But I was seeing all the yeses and you weren't. Oh, yeah, that's funny. Okay, Kim. All right. So, do you guys think it's a clickbait title when I'm telling you that Bitcoin is not limited, that it can split down to 21 quadrillion? And I go on to explain how and the actual math behind it, but I'm not going to bore with you. So, is this a clickbait title? Yes or no? Is this a clickbait title? I never do. I don't give a fuck about clickbait titling. I don't give a fuck about it. Let me be clear. What's up, Kevin Alderman? So is this a clickbait? Am I speaking a lie when I tell you that Bitcoin is not limited to 21 million? You guys might think I am, but my intention was not to get any kind of, I don't give a shit if you guys watch my shit or not. Again, as I always tell you, we have 3 stand stores. Me and my beautiful wife, Bree, we have loyal members. I'm just going to round up to 500, about 500 of you every month. We can make a huge, I don't even have to do this shit. I don't have to be on here. I don't have to trade with you all. I don't have to try to help you all. So the last thing I'm going to do is a clickbait title. I can give a fuck less if you click on the video. If you want to stay ignorant, don't click on the video. No, not at all. John, Jared, no. Anthony says, yes, it's not a clickbait title. No, not even close. So Anthony says it is clickbait. Everybody else says, no, it is not. All right. Because I'm just trying to point out that you want to hear what a clickbait title would be? Tulip trading. That Bitcoin is the modern day tulips of the whatever the hell that was. somewhere over in Norway or something. I think Jan told me what it was. Yes, I agree with what Kim wrote. Oh, Anthony says no. Okay, because yeah, get out of here. Click. If you want to know the truth about it, there's no value to Bitcoin. Zero. There's value to Bitcoin because we put value to Bitcoin. That's what there is. There's no value to our fiat money, what you guys call real money, the dollar bill. There's no value to dead, deceased notables. There's no value to that. It's because we all put there's a value to a dollar bill. The United States dollar bill it's worth $1. Gold, there's no value to gold, even though me and Kim love gold and Mr. Gold loves gold. Gold at 2,700 is just because we all agree to the value of gold is at over $2,000 an ounce. Yet we found double the amount of gold a year and a half ago in Africa, literally double the amount of gold, and gold went up double the price. It makes no sense. So to say that Bitcoin is limited to 21 million coins is a 100% flat out misleading clickbait title. It isn't. It's limited to 21 quadrillion Satoshis. Period. There is no limit, in other words. Bitcoin has value because we all say there's value. That's it. That's it. Now, in the dollar's case, I keep telling you guys, trying to educate you, that the United States of America has 2 aces up their sleeve, and it's really 4. There'll never be a BRICS. There'll never be China. There'll never be anything overwhelming what you're seeing with the dollar. It'll never be overtaken until what? Until we quit spending money, literally 10 times more than everyone else in the world, or until the United States of America military is no longer the strongest, and I mean by far, about 10 times as strong as any other military. Until those two things, especially military, happen, the dollar will remain the dollar, period. And if it falls, we're all going to have a lot more to worry about than is Bitcoin or gold any good. Mr. Gold said, nope, not clickbait. I'm saying the guy is wrong. Yes. Okay, gotcha. We know the truth. Okay, just making sure. Because this is just silly. Do I delete his message? No, he is entitled to his opinion. I put it on there. That's fine. But he's 100% wrong. 100% wrong. All right. So we went over Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Of the three, XRP is the best, in my opinion, for most potential doubling the actual amount. I'm not saying that Bitcoin won't go from 90 whatever thousand to 120,000. Most likely, actually, it will. I'm not saying XRP is going to go from $1 whatever to 1,000, but I am saying that it will go to 2. Okay, I am saying that it will go probably most likely to that 3 to 5 range.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay. Kev is the prop trader version of First Out. What? Okay. All right. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're going to make some more call outs. I'm about to go over thumbs up on YouTube would be helpful. I'm about to go over a whole shit ton of symbols. Where's my paperwork? I got new tracking paperwork for my calls. The last time I tracked my calls, I was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 0. I was 10 and 0. Fucking fantastic. So yeah, we're going to track my calls whenever I do it. All right. Before we get going, hey, what the hell's gold doing, by the way? Let's see what we shall see. Oh, nice. Damn, let me see my 2 hour. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Oh, yeah, look at my gold. Oh, nice. Man, that gold just keeps paying. Kim's right. This gold just keeps paying and paying and paying. I'm holding 3 trades from 1120. I had 2 more. So I had 5 trades going total. This is a GBP JPY 30-minute buy stop. I'm just tracking. This one right here, though, on gold, I'm holding forever until it taps me out or it keeps going up to where I want it to be, which is a good ways up. And then, is this gold? Yeah, this is gold daily. Till this pink line goes up to the blue, I'm holding gold. And then these 2 right here, I might tap one of these out later this week, maybe Thursday, Friday. We'll see. All 3 are locked in profit, though. And that's on top of 2 others. That's on top of another. I think I sold about 4 gold already or so. Yeah, I'm holding these. I don't normally hold 3 runners, but I'm holding 3 runners on gold. Kevin, you get out a chance, could you look at the freedom indicator on gold? When you get a chance, can you look at the freedom indicator? What time frame? This is a 1 hour buy. Sorry. It's a weekly daily buy right here. Oh God, we're about to make so much fucking money on gold. It's not going to be funny. If you guys even doubt the system, just come back here every day or two. Watch me call out gold for the next 4 months as it flips and goes up, like it did here twice last year, February and June, July. And then it's doing it again. I don't think it's ready yet. I think it needs to come down a little more, but yeah. Kevin, when you get a chance, could you look at the freedom indicator? Yep, I sure will. Just want your opinion. Well, the freedom indicator, which freedom indicator? The weekly, daily, the daily 4 hour. Here's the weekly, daily. If I was in a trade gold, again, I'm just telling you exactly. Now I'm in it, but I wouldn't trade gold until this pink line comes down just a little bit further right here and touches down here, like below 0 point something. Hello, Larry. That's how I would look at this trade. But I'm already in it. It was too easy with the 30-minute buys. I had to take it. It's red on the daily. No, that's just because it's a be careful with that. If it's red on the daily, no. That's not the advanced version. That's why we're coming out with the advanced version by the end of December. Your 3-month weekly, this is what you'd be seeing if you were on the 30-minute. See the buys? You need to trust the new version. The old version couldn't take into account for the weekly because there wasn't a blue line on the 3-month. Let me show you. Oh, well, hold on. There might be. Okay, well, there is actually, but there isn't. We couldn't code it for all the indicators. So Keith, on the current freedom indicators, weekly, dailies, it can't read the weeklies. It can't read the 3-month, the monthly, and the 3 months charts. It just can't. There's a limitation we had. But the new code we have right here, the one we're giving out, reads the weekly, 3-week, monthly, and 3-month charts. So before, the current code that you have on the gold weekly, daily, it couldn't see clearly. All it could see was this was a sell right here. It wasn't reading this as a sell stop as it's reading it. That's a correct read, but it couldn't see that this daily was inside this weekly buy. Now the new code reads it reads everything. It reads the daily, it reads the weekly, the 3 weekly, the monthly, and the 3 monthly, and it reads it all at the same time. And right, and even the daily 4 hours, what she's saying. Right, it can only read a very limited. See, it doesn't see that this is a buy stop on the daily. It was reading the 4-hour sell against the daily, but it is an incorrect read. It wasn't intelligent enough. That's why me and Keith never stopped. Matter of fact, I got to message him. Hopefully he gets home safely tonight. But yeah, does that make sense, Kim? So it couldn't see. It's only going to get clearer. Like the code is only going to get clearer and clearer and clearer, where we're going to be able to make better and better decisions as it learns, really, or we learn to teach it. To read these higher time frames better. Does that make sense to everybody? Yes or no? Because yeah, it's the correct 4-hour daily read of a sell stop, but it isn't seeing that this is actually a daily weekly buy. It isn't seeing this as a daily 3 weekly, a daily 3 monthly buy. See right here, this is a 3-week monthly. So hopefully that makes sense to you that now when it reads it, watch. It's reading, see right here, it says 3-month gap buy stop. Yeah, I would disregard that. Any kind of sells, I would disregard any kind of sells on any of that until this new code is upgraded. which will be I'm hoping by Christmas present for you guys around December 20th. We'll have this upgraded on you. So yeah, it's just having trouble, reading the 4-hour daily. And even though me and you and human beings can clearly see this is a daily fucking buy stop, the math, the code that the great Keith Palmer is coding, just had trouble with it. That's all. So yeah, I wouldn't read especially any down signals. I wouldn't take any down signals on any down signals on any symbol at all. It'll then be switched over to this 30-minute code. When you see this 30-minute code, holy fuck. Look at how right. This is what you were calling, Kim. This is the call you made in our Discord room last week, whenever it was. You made this call. These gold lines, babies, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be money in your pie. This will be ATM. Look at all these other ones. See how it's reading the 3-month, the 3-month, the 3-month, the 3-month, the 3-month, the 3-month. Hell, the old code, the freedom indicator, it didn't even know there was 3-month. There was nothing coded in it. Couldn't read it because we didn't have the blue. Now we coded it to the top, to the orange. So now it's reading 3-month, monthly, 3-week, weekly, daily, all at the same fucking time. You guys will run it off your 30-minute and then, fuck, is it going to be money? Money, 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 money. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and call out a whole bunch of symbols, but let me do this really quickly first. We are, and I know some of you get sick of hearing it, but just imagine me having to say this shit all the time. We are the only trading system in the world that has the United States trademark issued to me for the safety trade system, class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading and Forex currency, by the way. It is signed, sealed, and delivered. We also have signed, sealed, and delivered provisional patents. Okay. The provisional patents state that all of these indicators are patented. It sounds provisional, but it's actually there until otherwise noted. We have a patent for over a dozen of these indicators. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I guarantee you I want nothing to do with this stuff. I am not never going to give you official advice. I'm here just for fun and educational purposes only. Demo trade only, just like I do. Do not think that I am affiliated with a broker. I am not. You're an adult. Make your own decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and red down arrow. Please type yes, as I saw Larry already do, if you understand this. Facts. Please type out the word facts if you understand the old ways of trading fail over 99% of the time. A lot of you try to hold on to the old ways. Get rid of it all. Get that shit out of your mind. None of it works. Fibonacci retracement, none of this works. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable per Dave Ramsey. And he's quoting a study of 14 years. Please type fact that 99% of day traders fail using VWAP, volume, Bollinger Bands. This isn't an option. This isn't me being mean. This is me educating you, telling you less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. I say it's less than 99.999% are not profitable, period. 600% AGG trade. Nice, Kim. You go, Kim. Type out facts. If you understand 85% of day traders quit trading within the first years. That's not me. That's the day trade reviews. And that's because they all try to do this, the old ways of trading. Every trader, we went through it. I went through it. Each one of you went through it. We tried saying head and shoulders worked. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No candle pattern works. There is no such thing as candles. Naming of candles is the silliest thing ever. So if that doesn't work, what it does work? Well, I don't know. Maybe if there's a system out there called the safety trade system can get you retired or retired if you want to. Kim Harrington, is this true? Mr. Gold, is this true? Big D, if you're on, is this true? Peter, if you're on, is this true? Josh, if you're on, is this true? Tommy, if this is on, is this true? Jay, if you're on, is this true? Bentley, Phil bought a Bentley on 823. 2 members were homeless or not. Robel's wife bought a Bitcoin at 26,000. Tell me if this isn't true and I'll take it down. But I'm telling you all this. There you go. Kimberly Harrington facts. One of our members was atheist. I spelled it right and now is saved. Thank God. So if our system is so good that I'm just trying to get each and everyone retired if you want to, and we have people retired from the system or could retire from the system or become not homeless by using the system, then for a fact, the system works. Also for a fact, the system is 18-0, weekly, daily trades only. 18-0, and here are the results. I will type these out eventually, maybe one day. These are the results right here. And these were all winning trades, and they're still all good. You can take any 30-minute buy stop on all of those. Not only that, but for a fact, we're 5-0 on our almost holy grail trade. And I know US 30 a while ago was up like 500 pips, 550, something like that, 600 pips. So yes, for a fact, my signal service on weekly, daily, and almost holy grail trades is 23-0. And here is the actual results. Doubt it if you want. I don't give two fucks. And you can play any GPB, JPY. This is a free signal call out for you guys. 30-minute buy stops. Okay. Yes, it's true, says. Yes, it's true, says Jay. There you go. There you go. Perfect. So I'm going to send this over to Precious. We should probably keep this one. Precious. Please kiss Mom and DD for me. But there's Kim and there's Jay. And I was asking if they are retired or could be retired of their trades amount. They did. And they said, yes, that's facts. Love you. All right. Just so we're keeping on that one because I don't want any misunderstandings going forward. I don't clickbait. I don't bullshit. I don't tell you shit that isn't true. If I'm telling you that these things are 5-0 and 8, they are. Period. That's it. 100% true. There you go. Thank you all. Let me do this real quick. All right, let me go over here. And we're going to make this one. And this one. And this one. Got it. All right, now we're good. Okay. So those of you who are watching or doubting, you can call the people that my members are liars, but they're not. Instead of denying what you're about to see, just accept it and start to learn. Like, how the hell? Oh, look at US 30. Holy shit. When was our US 30 call out? Hold on a second. Almost holy grail trade. Yep. It was a buy on US 30, Ricky Bobby buy on November the 22nd. So November the 22nd. Was it this one? Yeah. This is almost the current. This is the new signal call too, by the way. So let me see. It went from, holy shit. It went from, I don't know, let's say 44,000. Over 600 pips up. A 0.01 trade would yield you $600 on this trade. If you did a 1.0 lot size, that'd be $60,000 on this trade. All right, so this is US 30. NAS is going to be the same and SPX the same. All right, so here we go. Oh, great. No pressure on that. Let me pin this message. No pressure on that. I'll try not to cuss, Mr. Gold. I will definitely try not to cuss. All right. So I'm about to show you something called a very, very safe trade. This is called the overnight reversal safety trade. The overnight reversal trade is this. I do have videos on this, by the way, right here. You can type in the overnight reversal trade, safety trade in YouTube. It'll come up with these two. You can watch either one. I prefer the second one a little better, but to each one. Watch the part where it actually talks about it. And the overnight reversal trade will happen maybe by, this is a strong up again, but maybe somewhere around 9:30 tomorrow morning, and definitely by Tuesday, 9:30 Tuesday morning it will happen. This is a very easy, what's up, D Nice? Very easy trade to do. So what is it? Well, when everything's green for several hours, like they bring it up all day long, then overnight, they drop it down a little bit or a lot of it, but they'll drop it back down. Okay. So how do they drop it back down? They do this. It's very simple. They're going to drop NAS and SPX, and you can play the sell stop on the 5-second US 30, or you can wait till all the 5 seconds. What these arrows represent, is it above our blue line, price action blue line on the 5-second, or is it below it? If it's red, it's below it. So say these then turn to red on the 10-second, then you can play the US 30 10-second to below it. Say you want to wait for all those, and then these two flip again. Then you can play the US 30 15-second to below it and go all the way down the line. Usually it loses momentum around this 3-minute, 5-minute mark. Then it will start to flip back. But what I will say is this absolutely will not be going up 99% sure until Friday. Sometime between now and Friday, this will turn to red. It's impossible for it not to. Okay? So please type out sevens if you understand. This is the overnight reversal trade brought to you by, and this is either you have the scanner rooms, you have the sniper, or you have the signal service. You have this. It's built into your charts. Or if you want the rooms, it's in the scanner rooms. That's $50 a month. I wouldn't get it. It's actually built in your charts. Sevens, if you understand this. Thank you, Miami. Thank you, D Nice. So this will happen. This will happen. This is an easy trade, super easy trade, super duper easy trade. You'll see it go boop, boop, and then you'll play the 5-second sell. And it'll go boop, boop. Then you'll play the US 30 10-second sell. Then you'll see boop, boop, and you'll play the 15-second US 30 sell. Then it'll go boop, so on. Okay? So this is an easy trade. Matter of fact, I already wrote this out for you. 11:23 Saturday. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second sell stop to NAS, SPX, US 30 blue lines. Okay, so that's a free call, free signal for you guys. Easy peasy. You're welcome. Now, after that, gold. I've already showed you what I want it to do, what I need it to do, and this is this. We need the weekly pink line to finish coming down here. Once it touches this bottom, me, Kim, and Mr. Gold are going to buy about $10,000 worth of gold. No, I don't know what they're going to do. But it's going to touch here, and boy, it's going to come up over the next several months. As it comes up over the next several months, like it did here, just kept going up here, kept going up here. Price action will keep going up, will keep going up, and will keep going up. So for gold, even though I'm in gold, I had to take the fucking trade. There's no way. When I saw the new system calling out these gold 30-minute buys to the blue line, I was like, oh, fuck no. I'm taking these trades. You're welcome, John. And then, of course, more. Now, I fully suspect that daily gold, I don't know. It may keep going up. I don't want it to. This is what I want daily gold to do. I want it to come down like this hook and then come back up. It'll be a little bit higher than the last time right there. This will be your W. This will be on a daily chart. I think it might still do that because for the simple fact that we have this line, pink line isn't far enough down. There's a gap here though. I don't know. We'll see. First time did it was the best. Second time is here. The first time right here, by the way, on gold is exactly what we're waiting for XRP to do on its daily. Let's be clear. We're waiting for, let me put this to gold. Okay. We're waiting for, see this right here? Look, right inside of here. This is gold weekly, pink lines dropping down. This right here is XRP daily. We're waiting for this pink line to come down against it like this. See it? Like it did here and here. Look. See how the pink line came down here and the pink line came down here? It's coming down here on gold on the weekly. We're waiting for the daily setup on here. When we see this daily setup, it's going to have a little gap right here like this. You are going to make some money on XRP. Holy shit. Demo money only. Blah, blah, blah. What the fuck ever. Okay. All right. You're welcome, John. You're welcome, Larry. So that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're going to see. You wait till this XRP one does its move. Holy fucking shit. Are you kidding me? If we can get XRP back down to about $1.15, $1.20, we're only splitting hairs here, but if we can get this thing back down to like some miracle of God down here to like $1.13, ho, 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 ho. We can double that money up, baby. Whew. Triple the money up. Probably, to be honest with you, you can get a 5-banger out of $1. Yeah, you can get a 5-banger out of that. Nice. Anywho, we'll see. We'll see. Let's not get our hopes up. All right. TikTok, YouTube. Nope. Okay, here we go. Now let's get back to our task at hand. Let's get over to here. We've called out NAS, SPX, US 30, gold, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Next, we're calling out is oil. Let's see if we can get any fast money. We don't have any old money, but we do have some fast money. All right, that's from a song. Don't ask. 1 second sell. 1 second sell. Not my favorite. Oil, US and UK. 1 second sell stop to the blue line. I don't like it. 30-second, 1 minute buy stop. I like better. Let oil dip a little bit and come back up. That's all I'm calling for oil. ERUSD, fast money. Let's roll. 1 second buy stop to the blue line. Already did it. EURUSD. Nope, don't like it. 1 second's good enough. Let me pull this off. Hold on. We got to take this thing off. Let me tool off this. It collapses the thing when you're not resetting it. And I'm not resetting shit. Nothing. Buy, 30 minute, 1 minute, 30-second, 1 minute, 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy, 5 minute buy. EURUSD, play any 1 second through 5 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line of ERUSD. GBB JPY.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
What's up, Banner Video? GBB JPY. I only like buys on this, but let's take a look and see what we actually see. Sell. Play any sell stop to the 30-second blue line of GBB JPY. I personally would only play this 5 minutes. So play 30-second, 1 minute buys to the 3 minute blue line. That's what I would play. I'd play any 30-minute buy stop on GBB JPY you can find. We're waiting for this 3 week. Yeah, right here, 3 week. Just to come down a little further to touch. I would put a buy right here on GBB JPY 195, 194.709, 195, 196, 197. Buy stop. GBB JPY.
Advisor, demo trade only.
Odd USD. Odd USD. 1 second. Buy 5 second, 1 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 1 minute. Didn't I call a buy this morning? I didn't write down my fucking trades from this morning. Yeah, I love this. In Discord, buy stop odd USD. Yeah. And then we have this daily one that's a kind of a pain in our butt right now. 3 week. So I'm not going to call anything else. I'm trying to stick with fast money. USD CAD. Demo fast money, USD CAD. 1 second buy to the blue line. Yeah, I don't even like that trade. You can, I'm not, hold on. No. Really? Jeez, the fuck? Oh, play any sell stop on USD CAD to the 30-minute blue line. Yeah, to the 30-minute blue line. After that, I love this 7-hour, 12-hour buy stop. USD CAD. XRP, I've already explained in nauseum what to do. Ethereum buys, Ethereum, XRP. Bitcoin buy. Backstreet Boys, buy. Gonna come to you. Oh yeah, this is nice, XRP. We're about to make some money, honey. Amazon. I only like calling the stocks on the higher time frames. 12-hour buy. 12-hour daily buy. Buy. Amazon, 199, 200, 201. Buy, stop, Amazon. Oh, I know. I have my stocks written down up here. Costco. Weekly buy stop. Let's see if I'm right. Fuck yeah, I am. Look at Costco, Don. Costco, weekly, daily buy stop. Nice job. Nice job. Great call by me. This is fantastic call by the system. I give God all the credit. Look at that. 885. Boom. Apple, weekly, daily buy. Yeah, love the trade. Told you. Love the trade. Google, 3-week. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Google. Buy 166, 167.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Hilton. Yeah, it's just too much. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're getting a reset on Hilton. Yep, that's what we're waiting on. Daily reset. I wrote that down. JP225 weekly buy. JP225 weekly buy. Let's see. JP225. It is. It's a better 3-week. Let me write that down. It's a better 3-week. Oh, I have it 3-week. I didn't read my own fucking writing. There you go. All right, that's JP2. McDonald's weekly. Oh yeah, still love this call. Play any 30-minute buy stop till the weekly pink line comes up and touches the blue. McDonald's. Microsoft, 3-week buy. Yep. Love it. Play any 30-minute buy stop. Netflix, we need a reset on the daily. Nope, not even close. Netflix, y'all can suck it. Oh, it's terrible. It's this or that. Just keeps going up. Nvidia, reset daily. Yeah. Nvidia. If you can't make money on this stock, oh my goodness. Buy stop 143. Nvidia. Buy stop 144. Buy stop Nvidia 145. Love the trade.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Schwab. I don't know what the hell I written down. Daily reset. Oh, fuck yeah. Gorgeous. It's too late. You got to wait for the reset on the daily. I'm right. I'm right with myself. Isn't that funny? Silver. Weekly reset. Daily buy. Daily buy. Nope. Weekly needs to come down more. If you want to get into silver, put it right above here. 31.5.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
UK 100. 3-week reset. 1-week buy stop. Yeah, it's not low enough. Weekly buy. You should have got in where I told you to be in the money on this one. I think it's still going to hook and come down, but that's just me. You're in the money on that buy, by the way. Tesla. I don't even want to talk about it. I think Mr. Elon Musk needs to send me over a little message saying, how the fuck do you do this shit? And I'll be glad to teach him. Look at this shit. Tesla, just buy the fuck out of it. 3-month buy stop. Let's see. I already called Tesla to go above 266, to go above 280, to go above 300. Gee, I think I'm right. To go above 358, to go above 382. I'm calling Tesla to go above 417, so above 420. We have 3 months of taking any 30-minute buy stop you can find on Tesla, and you will find them. 3 months, 30-minute buy stop Tesla until above 420. It's probably, I bet you that thing's going to split. AMD, monthly buy stop. Let me see what I have. Oh, yeah. Love this trade. Let me see the daily. Yep. Weekly. Yep. Monthly buy stop right where I have it. AMD. This is our logo. This is the first time it's happening. This is our logo formed. Love AMD buy stop monthly, right where I have it.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
All right. DE40. NA. I didn't call anything for it. No offense. What is this one? GBP USD. weekly buy stop. Let me see. Yes, weekly, 3 weekly. Yeah, it's not far enough down there though. I'm not thrilled with this GBP USD. It's fine. It's not our first time either. It's fine. Let me see the daily really quick. Yeah, no. I would be very patient on that trade, really. All right, and that's all of them. I updated my form, which is printed over there. I'll get it for the morning. Yay, you guys got a whole bunch of shit and things to be looking at. A lot of those were beautiful. When I say they're beautiful and I love them, I mean it. Some of these things are so pretty. They're gorgeous. All right. Now, let's see. Woo! That was smoking. Everybody have fun with that? Yes, if you guys loved hearing all those buy stops. Yes, if you loved it. All those call outs, just one after the other. Oh, 1 second sells to the blue line. Can we possibly have US 30 and NAS? 1 second sells to the blue line. Wonder if it's coming true now. It seems like this is awfully early in the day. Good evening, Martin Lawrence. Wasn't that fun? So many different call outs for you guys to make. All right, almost 7. Good. Now, I want to remind everybody as a public service amount, whether you guys are in the system or not, I don't care. What I'm trying to do is help everybody out and raise the whole trading community up on the back of my shoulders. It's a good thing God's with me. So on the back of my shoulders, I'm trying to raise up the whole fucking trading community. I'm trying to switch around this silliness of 99% of us losing to 99% of us winning. And it's begrudgingly. I'm doing my damnedest to keep it going. I'm doing everything I can to switch these numbers around from 99% of us failing to 99% of us winning. And so when I tell you in the Discord, which I think it was somebody, John or somebody brought it to our attention, that we have a discount coming up, it's not because I'm trying to, it's a discount for TradingView. I don't work for them. I don't get a kick. I don't want a kickback from them. I don't work. There it is. Now, mine didn't say 70% off. Whoever forwarded this, I forgot who sent this up. But mine was like 60% off for Black Friday. I don't know why there's a 70% off plus 1 month free. I want this damn thing. I'll be looking for this. It starts tomorrow, though. Mine does, the 60% off. Okay. So this is just a free public announcement for TradingView if anybody uses it, which brings me to my next point. TradingView. Look at price of Bitcoin. I'm going to keep that up for a minute. TradingView has more than 50 million active users. They're a little confused on what the number is, but I believe it's closer to 50 million. And they have 3 million people, members paying. And we now know for a fact that 99% of these 3 million people paying, right, are losing money. They're losing money. So rather than close down this, which I could have done, and keep it a small group of about 500 traders, again, me and my wife Bree can make a fantastic living just on what our sales of the store are, not doing any of my trading. Okay. And we don't need to be on here. We don't need to accept anybody. So if you're thinking about coming in, you should. You should come in while the getting's good. Because I'm going to go ahead and stay open because I can't in good conscience let 3 million people lose their money every fucking month. It would drive me nuts to think that. Nuts to think that. Oh, hold on. That sell sucked. Don't take the sell. Don't take the sell. Don't take the sell. It's not ready yet. Don't take that sell. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and let you all know that we have the system right here. SafeTrade.com. It's for $575. You can also sign up for the system alerts, and I do give out some free signals from time to time in there. Yeah, I got John. Can you send me the damn link for the 70% off one? Do you mind sending it? Email it to me, John, please. Thank you, sir. If you would. If not, that's okay. But if you come over here, you can get the base system. I'm going to teach you all how to use the base system in literally just a few seconds. It's not going to take long at all. We can look at US 30. And I'm going to teach you what you get and what you don't get. What you don't get is a sniper that's $250 a month more, so we'll white it out. What you do get is everything inside of here that you need to trade. So right inside of here. So let's go back in time. Again, my favorite feature of this silly little trading view is, and it's the only good feature they really have is this. We went back in time. We're on US 30. We're on daily. I'm going to bring it forward one little movement at a time. Okay. Now, when we see this on our base system, our core system, thank you, John, for $575. Thank you very much, John. For $575 for the year. I just got something. It's probably your email. Okay. This is what you get. You get these 3 bars down here. They're called the real direction bars. In our business, let me go forward a little bit more. In our business, green means up, red means down. So right here, you'll see a little red bar that's included. It's called the bullshit detector. That means it's a lie. That means John Parker's trying to swim down to the bottom of the pool to get a die stick off the bottom. But below, John, your base system includes all these things. Includes a real direction bar green, which means it's really going to go up. So there's Jay below John pushing up, not letting them swim to the bottom of the pool. Then we have Mike pushing up. And then we have Kevin pushing up. These are the 3 real direction bars. So poor little Jay Parker in our example here is trying to swim to the bottom of the pool. He has 3 grown men pushing up against him. Above him, he has people pulling up. He has Michelle and Larry pulling up against him so he can't go down. Then we have, that's our BOK, by the way, the BOK indicator. Then we have our actual candles, which are green, and there's pulling up. Then we have our color direction bar right here. This is all included in your base for $575, also green. And then we also have what? Our logo, the orange line stayed above. That means it has to be a buy only that you could possibly take. The candles, the logo, and the orange line. So the logo would have been right here too, the pullback. So now right here, we have Jay trying to swim to the bottom right here. The trade's trying to go down right there. But we have 3 grown people pushing up right here. Real direction bar 1, 2, and 3. Then we have 2 people more pulling up, 1, 2, and then we have another, right? And another, and another, and another. We can get up to 30 reasons why. But all of these right here are pulling and pushing up John. So John's trying to go down. He can't go down to the bottom of the pool to get the little cord or the dive stick. The trade cannot go down. So if we just remove all that, we take our buy right here. We're going to go ahead and move it forward then. Ha! We moved it forward and it was an immediate movement up. Let me show you where you'll put your buy stops and everything. My God, that was too quick. That was crazy. It made me cough. All right, your buy stop would be on the lowest of the 3 indices, the 3 lines. It could be the green line, the orange, or the yellow line. This is your buy stop entry. Wherever the cross is, so it came down, pivoted, crossed up over here. You put your stop loss below here. And look at this shit. It already shot up in a day that. So I'm going to go ahead and say that was a pretty fucking good call. Probably 1,500 pips, by the way, in this movement right here. And that's how you trade it. Now, eventually, you'll see this do a little something else. See how this filled in the gap? The green came back. You see how the pink and blue are arching up. Prices continually to go up. Let me move this to maybe 3 times speed. Okay. And all that matters, doesn't matter how much money we made. It matters, did that trade win? And it was 100% win. And there you go. Okay. So did everyone get that example of how to trade the system? Yes or no? Did everyone understand how to trade the buy stop in the system? Yes or no?
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay. I see a couple yeses. And that's all there is to it. Now, some of you had trouble Some of you had trouble with seeing this right here, seeing this buy stop right here. And actually, this is our logo right next to it. So what I did was I created the sniper. It's a totally optional add-on. That's $250 more. Technically, you'd wait for the pink to cross for your first time if you wanted, which would have been right here. And then you could have also put it on the green line, like I said, or the orange or the yellow line and put your buy stop right there. Thank you, Banner Video. Thank you, Jared. Thank you, Larry. Poor Larry, he says yes. And well, he is retired. What's up, Cliff? So yeah, so this is it. So why I have a totally optional add on the snipers, because you guys are having trouble seeing this movement. Yep. So I created this. Now, some of you still had trouble with the sniper. So I decided, hey, let's create a signal service, shall we? And let's go to the signal service. I'll show you gold, for instance. And it's gold. We can go to 30-minute. And let's go to gold 30-minute and bring this over here. Then you can see. So if you can't remember all of these things right here, these 9 things, 15 things, 20 things, if you can't remember them all, the system is so easy that we literally made it that all these things are in this to tell you to take a buy. They're in this line to tell you to take a buy. This line, these golden lines to take the buy. So everything that you're being taught is rules. Those rules are coded in, and then the results you get are the 100% accurate signal service. 18-0, 4-0. If you would have just put 0.01 in right here from October 5th till now, you'd have $4,600. Actually, you got to add another $600 in there. You'd have $5,200 if you would have just taken the US 30 signals. And it just, all this does is just follow the rules. That's it. The difference is we're emotional and we get nervous or we get scared or we get whatever. The code, the great Keith Palmer coded in here, doesn't. It does exactly what it's told over and over and over and over again. And it's looking at, I think, 25, 30 different symbols. And it's taking consideration the 30-minute, the daily, the weekly, the 3-week, the monthly, and the 3-month all at once. And it spits out the signal for you. Doop, 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 doop. Isn't that nice? I swear to God, what an awesome system. All right. We also have something called the sniper rifle coming. I'm not going to get into that. We do understand. I understand. Bree understands. Keith understands that you all want to be consistently profitable traders, i.e., you want to be able to retire. Okay. If you want to retire, you should be able to retire from trading. These are the people who've done it. This is one of our members. 2 of the things, 1 of the things. And these are just off the top of my head. I really have to take some time, go over with Bree, read back some of the testimonies, ask Bree. I'm sure we can get this up to a couple dozen people. These are just the ones that are off the top of my head. That's all. Okay. Is there any questions over any of this? Any questions over the signal service? They range from $150 a month to $350 a month. Any questions over the sniper? You don't need either. You can trade without them. We've had these. I'm telling you, you can trade without them. You do get, if you sign up. Matter of fact, tomorrow. Oh, I don't know if you can get it in today, but it is one of the training at Monday at 1:15. I do my trainings. They're small at 1 o'clock. I do my trainings. They're small group classes. It lasts about an hour, hour and a half. They're usually very, very small, and I can do a lot of information over there. No, sir. Thank you. All right. So now we are done. We made some call outs for you. Matter of fact, let me look at US 30 again. Hold on a second. Because that was definitely not a fucking sell stop. Yeah, see, there's nothing to call. Yeah, I would just wait. You're going to see this pink cross this blue. You're going to see price action go up over this orange right here. US 30, 1 second buy. And it's just going to do its thing. Yeah, definitely going to do its thing. But I wouldn't play. I would just wait. Be patient. 5 second? There's no fucking way that's below that. Where the fuck? Okay, I give uncle. There's no way. This is not reading this correctly. I check out every time I tell Keith this. Oh, it's a sell stop. Oh, hold on. It is a sell stop. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. It is a sell stop. It's not a sell stop to the line. At any rate, fuck all that. Let's keep it simple. When you see all these flip to red, play the set 10 seconds stuff. So when you see all these turn to red, hold on. When you see all these turn to red, I'm going to leave you with this final thought. These flip to red, these two flip to red, then go ahead and take this one as a sell stop, please. Right there. Then this is the one. Do the same thing again. When these flip to red, take the 15 second to the blue. Whether it happens tonight, whether it happens by tomorrow morning at 9:30 before 9:30 a.m., which I'm pretty sure it will. But if it doesn't, just be patient. It'll do it Tuesday. Then it's no big deal. Then they'll start to flip. Doop, 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 doop. Let's see. Oh, we have somebody says something. Let's see. Yes, no, sir. Richard Tuck. Yes. Richard Tuck. I bought the 777 package. I said, oh, nice, Richard. Welcome aboard. Please, everybody, welcome Richard. I know we're all tired and want to go home for the evening or go watch TV or whatever. Richard, welcome aboard. Congratulations. The 777 package. Yeah, baby. You know, that's fine. Whatever you like to do. I would do the 7-7 because I'm an individual. I don't like being in small groups, but whatever. Small groups work fine. Everyone, please welcome Richard Tuck. He bought the 777 package. Yay, Richard. Smart. I think a very smart move. You'll get all your stuff soon, Richard, if you haven't already. I don't know where you're at with everything. Thank you, Jacob, for welcoming Richard. Please, everybody, welcome Richard. I'm going to go ahead and end my TikTok. God bless you all. Thank you all. Have a great night on TikTok. Make some great memories. All right. Welcome. Thank you, Jay Parker and Banner and Jacob. Welcome, Richard Tuck. I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. I'm leaving you with this trade in mind. Whether or not it works, I don't know. We'll see overnight. If it doesn't do it tonight, I would say no later than Wednesday, Thursday, it'll do it. It'll do it before then. It always does it before then. And just be patient. Let me see something right here. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Let me see one more thing. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Buy, stop Bitcoin, 1 second. All right. I'm out of here. All right. Thank you for welcoming Kim, Nathan. All right. God bless, guys. Everyone have a good evening. Talk to y'all later. See y'all. Oh, that went great. Wow, that was fun. Where the freak is the off button? Oh, I got to go over here. Shit. There.